Hi, yeah, I'm Drogo. Welcome to Fine Food Specialist. Come on back with me, come and have a look at the warehouse. So this is the warehouse. We've got the whole dispatch, ordering, processing team here, both these lovely lads. And then over your shoulders here, we've got where all the magic happens with the packing, all that care and attention that goes into creating those beautiful parcels. A lot of the stock products are here on the shelves and behind you. So this is our office department, it's where all the magic happens with the customers. Customer service, all the problems get solved up here. So this is where we keep all our specialist meat, fish, cheese, fruit and veg. Right, now I'm going to show you the freezer just here. This is where the heart of the business is. Because we're an online business, it makes more sense to have frozen food going out and fresh. Have a look in here. Lots of really cool buns up here. And then you've got all the steaks that we cut ourselves here in-house. All the different grades and sizes. Follow me through to the meat packing room. So here we've got some nice A5. This is English high grade Wagyu fillet. And this is ribeye. But that, if you look at that, we do a 200 gram portion, which is very fine. And that's what you're given straight away, look at that. Very fine. So I'll bag all these up, and then we'll get them labelled. See down there? -60, baby. So this is the end of the route. Out of the warehouse, into the courier van, going home to you for tomorrow's dinner.